Okay, hey, Dana here, and welcome to my garage. Well, today I'm working on this 08 Jeep Compass. We're going to drop the subframe on it, and first thing we got to do is disconnect the ball joints, lower ball joints. So on this Revolution here, your ball joint nut is a 18, and your bolt is the bolt head is a 15. So what you got to do is go ahead, and you're going to have to get some blaster on it and move it up a little bit, let it set. Your bolt's going to be probably seized in there a little bit, so let that stuff soak, and then use a 15 deep with an extension on the front, and that'll break that loose. Okay, go through the whole step that I went through on this side. Now turn the wheel around, turn it out so it's so you can get to it. Old pan not looking so hot on this one either. I soaked that down really good with blaster. I mean, the rust is taking over this thing really bad. Some of the caps on it. No. We just got bad case of rust on that nut. Welcome to the Finger Lakes of New York. Finally, let's see what's moving. It's coming. Douche that with another thing, a little more blaster. Getting hot, cooking. As you notice, the nut came off, but the bolt, bolt didn't move. So soak that up really good. Same way. Now with that, this one here. Now I blast some blaster in the crack. That bolt ain't moving. I polished up the head on that nut. Polished off the head on that bolt head. Some blaster in there. Let it settle in there. This ball joint, this lower ball joint is shot too. So spin out of there. Put it right. Spray the stuff right in the crack between the thing. That'll help it break loose. Give it a little bit of time here. Let's see. These dropped and I go. Got some stuff. That sway bar. The sway bar bolt. So I'm gonna have to let go. Alright. I think those are 13s. Let's see. Let's see if there's 13 on the sway bar. Yep. Yeah. Sway bar. Your sway bar bolts. Got 2 of them, they're 13s. So we're gonna pop those out. Get a long ratchet. Long ratchet and a unit extension. So I'll use the go in there. Oh shoot. Wow. They're really loose. Let's see if there's a hole through here, but I don't. Self-tap. Yeah, they got threads in there. You don't have to worry about holding nuts on the bottom of it. That's good. Yeah, there's no. Oop, I want that one. Okay, if it takes care of that sway bar. Let's go. We can head to the other side. Yeah, before we leave here, let's see if our bolt. Almost one full turn. About 3/4. I can put this on out. I don't think it's gonna bang out though. No. I'm gonna screw the head up on that. There it goes. Ha ha ha. Beautiful. In good shape. Get some more in there. I love that blaster. It looks great. There she is. Oh, no my. And of course my freaking battery. This is a big. This 3 amp hour. That only 2. Here we are. Okay, pop that. Put your nut back on there. Pop her out. Beautiful. A little bit more on that. Put it in the crack, it'll help the ball joint itself come out. There we are. There she is. Still lubricated. And it'll help kill on that. Okay, so get this side. This side's broken loose. This can stay right there. Let's go to the other side. You know, you have a deep 13. It would be perfect. I got these brand new Pittsburgh deeps. They're colored. I love it. All right. know I got another one. I got a Pittsburgh snubby extension. Because you gotta find the right freaking length to get what you need to do. Alrighty. Okay. So those are loose. One in the middle. See those? Like that. These are all the ones I can get right now from just sitting here. Yeah, it's alright. It's just something. Okay, we're loose. Loose and hanging. Alright, next. The rest of the stuff I think I gotta do from inside. I got a bad bearing. Before I go any further, I want to see if I can find that. Alright, so that takes care of that. Your sway bar mountings, those sides located right there. And they're 13s, and I used a combination of a deep and a stubby extension on my electric earthquake electric ratchet. This one needs a should replace that thing too. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. Next phase, I'm gonna drop that real quick. But what I want to do is I want to put the tire back on and see which one of these has got the loose bearing while I'm here. Okay, we're gonna go after the engine mount, tranny mount bolt. Oh, actually, engine mount bolt. I don't know which one it's attached to. But if you look up there, somebody has already loosened up that mount. That bolt's about 1/4 inch out. I didn't do that. So we're gonna go ahead and get this mount loose. I've got my Pittsburgh safety stand. I'm gonna go ahead and lift up and put underneath the transmission, and that'll support it from the rear. We're gonna go at these bolts right here. They're 15s. What have I got? Actually, I had a 5/8. I had a 5/8 socket that fits on there. Thought I had them out of my metric box, but it fits 5/8 on that. So right now I want to get this jack stand up, and I can drop that mount, undo that mount. Yeah, that's probably a 17 or 18 if I got it. Oh, that is an 18. So I don't know. Holding on to that. Okay, that's an 18. All right, so we'll get the. Now let's see. I want to get the. Yeah, we gotta get that safety stand on there. Up. On that. There we go. Yeah, a little bit on there. I haven't disconnected those subs yet. I just son of a gun. Just so you see how flimsy that your arm is? Really flimsy. I like that. I'm gonna drop her down. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I put the chisel in there, and I went in the middle of this. There's a hole right here. got a hole, the hole right there, and you just pull down, and it'll drop right out. Drop right out of here. Gosh, popped it back in. It'll spin a little bit. Out. Yeah. Alright, takes care of that. So those are loose. Alright, so there we go. Unfortunately, that's all I can do for today. I got a little bit of time each day to work on this. So, anyway, good start. What we did today is get the ball joints out. We got the sway bar disconnected. And we'll get it up on its. We'll get the power steering rack disconnected, and then. Power steering, and then disconnect the arm for the mount, engine mount. I don't know, it should be getting pretty close. And I just got the full bolts to drop it down. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. You can catch me on the next Dana's Garage.